Hi, so today we're working on this 2024 GMC Denali. It's brand new. It's only got about 800 miles on it. I just bought it from the dealership. We're doing a ceramic coating on it, but look what we ran across here on the paint. See that spot right there? That's a factory flaw. We call it a factory flaw. And so I got my trusty buffer in hand. I'm going to show you how we're going to fix that. But first I'll show it to you a little better. There, look at that big spot. And so what's happened is there was a nib in the paint here, which isn't that uncommon. And then they have sanded it out and repolished it, but they don't know what they're doing when it comes to polishing, not like certified detailers. So they've left this blemish. And then even surrounding the blemish, that's easy to see, but as I shine the light out here, you can see where they sanded it too to try to get it to blend. See the difference between that and over here? So our goal before applying a ceramic coating is to make the paint look as good as possible before we seal that in. So now I'm going to set up the camera here and polish it out and see how much I can improve it. Okay, all done. Let me show you. Came out really well. Can't even really tell where it was at. Right there is where the dirt nib was, and then surrounding that, yeah, see my fingerprint. So that's the goal, to make the whole truck look like this compared to over here where I have not polished yet. Removing all these blemishes. So that's the goal. We do this over the entire vehicle to make it look as good as possible, especially black, before putting on the ceramic coating and sealing it in. Thanks for watching.